What's going on, Smooth Gang? It's your boy Trucker Smooth coming out with another video, man. Alright, so I'm out here at the yard, USA yard right now. I came to, pick up a trailer. Notice one of my headlights out after I did my pre-trip, and it's an audio store like a couple miles down the road that sells the lights that I wanted to put on the truck. Well, the bulbs, sorry. They're not HIDs, they're new LED lights, and we're gonna go test them out. We're gonna get some. I just called, he said he had a couple in stock. So we're gonna go over there, grab some, come back to the yard and slap them in real.
Like the narco, got dope like Pablo, cut throat like Pablo, shot trees with the Draco, on the north got Diego, say hasta luego, we'll be in rapping kilo, snub nose with potato. Take out. No monkey in the jungle, blind hot like a sauna, busting nothing, I'm trying to weep an anaconda, jumping in the water, trying to slip across the water, got see yours out, got me beat by Verona, out bag of money, know I gotta have it, savage, but I'm still a gentleman in Cali, Atlantic, nigga turn them in about the cabbage, kill his whole family if you run up with the package, I just put a pack on the way to Bogota, poke his eyes out, and I'm telling what he saw, I'm watch out, I don't know if he'll talk, get a chainsaw and I'ma saw her legs off, they know that we're a gang, but they say that we're a ring, investigating, taking pictures of the whole team, undercover trying to do his thing, sitting there on a bike, going straight them in a team, trapping like the narco, got dope like Pablo, cut throat like Pablo, shot trees with the Draco, on the north got Diego, say hasta luego, we'll be in rapping kilo, snub nose with potato, hey, cold gang with the cocaine, the more money make more rain, going up a band while I'm back in propane, point blank range, give a nigga nose range, skip to my Lou with the pack and the cat, Jiffy, Lou with the bricks, where they at,
I made it back to the yard, man. These are the lights right here. These are the lights right here. They're fairly easy to put in, real easy to put in, as he's telling me. So if it's not easy, I'm going to show y'all, the correct way or the easiest way to put them in. So let's go ahead and open this hood, drop these headlights in, show y'all the before, and I'm going to show y'all the after, and then I'm going to put both of them together so y'all can see before and after. So let's go ahead and slap these in real quick. First, we're gonna start with this side. This is the driver's side. Go ahead and flip that up. So your low beam side is the one furthest over here, which is this one over here. You have another, your high beams down at the bottom down there. Next one, I don't know if you can see that one. The other one is down here. But I waited till, it got kind of dark to do this because I wanted y'all to see the brightness of the lights. So we're gonna go ahead and pop this off. First, take that off, take your cap off. The light, you wanna twist the bottom towards the right and pop straight out. Now this bulb is blown. Take this little red clip right here, press it down, and then push the bottom part right here. The bottom piece, push that down and wiggle the light out a little bit. There you go. Now you got your bulb. You can see that it's blown. You see that white stuff on there on the bulb? That's blown. So only trick he told me to do with these is push this one part in first, and I'm gonna show you how to do that. So let's get there. Here's the box. We're gonna do a little unboxing real quick. See how everything looks in the inside. Comes with this foam. So here are the lights. That's how it comes packaged. These are the two bulbs. It don't have nothing listed on it left or right, so yeah, it don't have nothing listed left and right, so I guess you could put either one on any side. And it comes with these double side tape sticky pads. You know my nails dirty, y'all. Been working on the truck, but these one side, you'll take the sticky the double side tape off, put it on the ballast right here, and then stick it somewhere real clean on the truck. This is how the ballast looks. You plug it in on this side, put the bulb in, and place the ballast somewhere neat. Make sure it's clean, because you don't want it to be falling off and rattling around in there. That's how you blow your ballast. Once you blow the ballast, you're gonna have your headlight out. So let's go. This is how the light looks. It's actually really, really bright. There we go, focus on it. All right, let's go slap this one in. Right, like I said, it's pretty simple. So this part right here, he told me to take it off first, because you want to have your actual light facing upward for the projector, because these are made specifically for projector lights. If you have projector lights on your truck, meaning do you see that crystal ball in the front, basically? So you want to put it in, make sure it's facing up so it can project the light better. So I'm going to put this part in first. Basically, you put it in, turn it towards your right, lock it in. Sorry, left, and lock it in. Let's go ahead and put that in there. Turn it. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna put the light bulb in kind of slanted the opposite way, so when I fully lock it in, it will lock right in place. There we go. Now that's in. I'm not gonna put the double side tape on yet, because I want to see how the lights actually look. This been burning up. That's running your lights in the daytime. So go plug it in, make sure it works. Guys, check that out. Big freaking difference. Big difference. You got yellow over here, got white over here. Big difference. I'm gonna open the hood, look at the floor on how, you know, how it shines. You can tell a difference like that. Yellow over there, bright as I don't know what over there. So let's go ahead and switch and get the other side done. Before we go to the other side, I'm gonna go ahead and show you where I'm gonna mount the ballast on my truck. You can mount it any way you want, but this is where I'm gonna mount it at. Choose the flattest side. It actually has a side where you're supposed to put the sticker piece at. I don't know if you can see that. So put it in right there. Make sure it's on there good. Me, I'm gonna put mine's right here to the very top. Turn the lights off. So go ahead and put these to the top. The main thing you need to do in this trucking game, or anywhere basically, is to see. You can't see, that's no bueno. It's stuck real good to the top. That ain't going nowhere. So I'm gonna go ahead and tuck these wires in somewhere safe on the sides of it, like that. Tuck them on the sides. Put the cap back on, and that is it for this side. So see y'all on the other side. right, we're on the other side, guys. And we're just gonna repeat that same process. I'm not gonna talk and bore y'all. Take this light out. I'm gonna keep this bulb since it's still good though. Ooh, that thing hot. I forgot to tell you on the other side, make sure this side right here is at the top with this red thing. If not, your lights won't turn on. So remember, take this part off first, put it on. Remember, put it light to the top. If you find to put some grease on it or anything, just get some alcohol, clean it up real good before you stick this sticky pad on. It's double side. Take. That's on there good. We're gonna go ahead and tuck these wires to the sides. Make sure this bulb ain't loose. So we're gonna go ahead and snap this top back on. And that is that. So now we're gonna go look how pretty the lights is. Oh man, I messed up somewhere, y'all. I'm only human. Hold on. Let's fix it. I'm gonna leave the camera rolling.
Months later.
There we go, guys. We got them bright things on there now, man. All right, smooth gang. It's getting dark. It's getting cold. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap everything up, put everything back up where I put it at. I mean, where I need to put it at. And we're about to go pick up a load. So stay tuned for the next video, man. Thank you guys for watching. And if this helped you out, you went and bought some, drop a comment, let me know how it worked out for you.